Let's start. Today we will see how to use the GetX package showing a snack bar in Flutter Android. First, we need to add the GetX package to our app. For that, click this terminal icon here. Write this command, and press enter. Wait for the operation to be complete. Once you see change dependency written like this, that means the package has been integrated. Now let's see the main.dart file. First, we import these Dart packages. Then, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a getMaterial app and apply a theme in the build function. This is an important step. Normally, we create a material app, but here, we are creating a getMaterial app, because we are using the GetX package. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The appBar attribute is set to the appBar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this appBar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have an elevated button. When the button is clicked, we show the snack bar. For this, we call the get.snackBar function. First, we mention the title and the message to be shown in the snack bar. Then we mention the snack bar duration as 3 seconds. Then we mention the border radius, border width, border color, background color, and text color of the snack bar. Then we mention the snack bar animation duration as 1 second. Then we mention the snack bar dismiss direction as horizontal. This means that, if a user wants to dismiss the snack bar by hand, he needs to move it horizontally. The other options for the dismiss direction are down, vertical, end to start, etc. Then we set the icon of the snack bar. We set the isDismissible attribute to true, so that the user can dismiss the snack bar by hand. The overlay blur attribute is set to 2. When the snack bar is shown on the screen, the entire screen gets blurred, and only the snack bar is shown clearly. As we increase this number, the blurriness increases. Then we set the snack bar position at the bottom so that the snack bar will appear from the bottom of the screen. The other option for the position is top. Then we set the snack bar style as floating. The other option is grounded. When the snack bar status changes, this function gets called. So when the snack bar gets closed, I'm showing a log. These are the various attributes of the snack bar status, like closed, closing, open, opening. Then we set the snack bar icon pulse as false. If this attribute is set to true, then the icon of the snack bar will keep on pulsating. Then here, we set up a button on the snack bar. When the button is pressed, we close the snack bar immediately. Then the text of this button is OK. And finally, this is the text of the elevated button by clicking which we are showing the snack bar. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button a snack bar appears on the screen for 3 seconds. If I click the OK button, the snack bar immediately closes. So that's it. That's how you can use the GetX package to show the snack bar in Flutter Android. Thank you.